Welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial will help you make a dreamy glowing portrait. Open your portrait photo and duplicate it, and also add soft blue and pink glowing using the brush tool, and now set blending mode to the overlay. Import your particle overlays and scatter around. Blur some layers to create soft atmosphere. Use blur for background lights. Now enhance eyes and lips using dot tool, and also add faint color gradient for magical tone, and also apply color balance for pastel harmony, and add soft vignette for focus. Your portrait should feel dreamy and glowing. Save it perfect for fantasy style edits. Thanks for watching.